Welcome back to Siani's Hair World. If you want to see how I got my curls like this, stay tuned.
Alright guys, we are back with part 2 of the takedown of these loop rods. So Siani still did not want my help in any way, so she began taking down her loop rods all by herself. Now even though I really wanted to step in and help, I'm glad she did it by herself because she learned all of her mistakes and she knows exactly what not to do next time. So when taking these down, all you have to do is unsnap the 2 little red pieces, pull the loop rod apart, and then begin to unravel downwards. Now, if you see my hair, you'll see that my roots are very puffy. Unfortunately, that was because 1, I did not let my hair dry long enough, and 2, once I got to the root when I was starting, I did not secure it tight enough. I will be doing this style again in the near future, so you'll be able to check my improvement. Now, once you get all of your loop rods out, all I did was take a little bit of oil on my fingers and began to separate. For each one of my curls, I separated them 5 to 6 times, but you can do more or less to get the fullness that you would like.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye, curl friends!